is this? What is this? Download. No. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, no. Oh, no. You gotta be kidding me, man.
Unfortunately, during my career, which spanned over 2 decades, I have seen too many times a virus infiltrating your entire network. I don't want any individuals, business, or healthcare practices to have to experience a sense of helplessness that comes with something like this. While there's no way to guarantee this won't happen to you, there are some things that you can do to reduce your risk. I'm Dennis Kao. Thank you for joining me as I present to you 5 things that you can do now to make your IT more secure. Automatic updates are the basic way to aid in securing your IT systems. No software is without issues, and all software needs to be patched for security updates from time to time. Operating systems like Windows, iOS, and Linux are no different. For example, Windows 10 ships with automatic updates enabled and cannot be disabled as easy as Windows 7. Microsoft updates are released every second Tuesday of the month, and with these updates enabled, the applications update in the background and will be applied upon restart. Antivirus protects your system from viruses, malware, and ransomware. There are many different antivirus solutions available, and you should choose one based on your needs and budget. Avoid free versions. Free versions are insufficient for business use and often end up costing you way more than just money. If you're unsure which option to choose, speak to an IT specialist about the right antivirus solution for your business. Do you know that email is the primary route for malware to enter your business network? A spam filter will refuse or at least flag risky emails and remove the temptation to click a link, which triggers the infiltration. Now, spam filter does require testing and configuration, but it can make your mailbox more organized and will make your environment more secure. Again, please check with your IT specialist on the best spam filter for your business. Do you know what the weakest link is in your IT security? It's the employees. People choose bad passwords, people share passwords, people click on malicious links and emails that launch ransomware, malware, and viruses. People fall for phishing scams that let hackers into company emails and systems. How do you stop this? Simple. Training. You need to educate employees about computer security. Remind them often not to blindly open attachments, to not click on links to reset passwords because they look legitimate on the surface. Remind your employees to ask, "Hey, did you email me a file?" when they receive unexpected attachments. Train and educate your staff. Make sure that you continue to take the time to remind your employees of your security policies throughout the year. Every year, it will benefit your business. I feel like this needs to be said. Do not use the following as your password: the word password, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or your name. Also, don't use a password more than once. Combining upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols make your password much more secure while also making it easy to remember. It can sometimes be difficult to remember all your passwords and to keep coming up with new secure passwords. You can use password managers to create and organize your many passwords for you. There are also a variety of websites that will generate random passwords, but please properly vet these sites. All employees must use strong passwords. Don't overlook your routers, networking equipment, and other internet-connected devices like security cameras or thermostats. Make sure you are not using default username and passwords. It's great, man. We got you. Let's see what the tech team can do for you. In conclusion, you can do these 5 things now to make your IT more secure. Enable automatic updates. Use quality antivirus protection. Use a spam filter. Educate and train staff regularly. And finally, be sure to use strong passwords. Thank you for your time. For more information on how to improve the security of your IT, please contact my proactive information management team. We can give you a free, simple review and get you on your way to peace of mind, knowing that you are doing everything you can to protect your IT assets.